Hello and welcome to this video about the exciting new features which have come from the Winter 20 release. We will be focusing on 3 key features from the release notes: how to customize account teams, completing tasks with a single click, and how to access the recycle bin in Lightning Experience. Let's start off by looking at how we can customize account teams. You may have worked with account teams before. If not, it's a really cool tool which allows the account owner to grant other users access to their account and its related records. Prior to Winter 20, that was the only functionality account teams provided. But as of Winter 20, account teams are now customizable. You can add new fields such as start and end date, buttons, validation rules, and even use them in automation. Let's go and have a look at adding a start date and end date field. I have already enabled account teams to allow me to show this. Let's start customizing by going to Setup, Object Manager, Account Team Member, and then Fields and Relationships. We are going to create a start date field, so click New, Date, and name the field Start Date. We are going to enable this field for all profiles and add it to the relevant page layouts. We are then going to repeat the process for the end date field. Now we have created the fields, we need to add them to the page layout. Click on Page Layouts, Account Team Member Layout, and then Edit Multi-Line Layout and add in your new fields. You can see that this is very much like customizing an object with page layouts, fields, and so on. We can now navigate to our account record and add a user to the account team. We want to give this user temporary access for a month, so we define their start and end date. We can also reference these account team fields in the automation tools such as Workflows and Process Builder. We can set up a process that assigns a task to the account owner to remind them to remove access when the account team member's end date is reached. The next exciting new feature is the ability to complete tasks from a list view with a single click. Now your team can mark tasks as complete from a table view. This means they can spend more time getting things done and less time crossing them off their list. All you have to do is navigate to the Tasks tab, find the tasks that you want to complete, and check the box next to the status to show they are complete. Simple. Finally, the recycle bin is now available in Lightning. Before we talk about the release notes, did you see our awesome blog about it? The recycle bin functionality is exactly the same in Lightning as it is in Classic, meaning that you can permanently delete records and also restore them. To access the recycle bin, go to the app launcher and scroll down until you find Recycle Bin. When you are there, you can select the records you want to restore and the records you want to permanently delete. There are many more features in the latest Winter 20 release to try out. If you are looking for help and support, feel free to visit our website, click on Services and Help and Support. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on the next one.